Building AI applications can be complex. Azure AI Foundry simplifies the process. It provides everything developers need to build, test, and deploy AI solutions. Azure AI Foundry is Microsoft's unified platform for developing generative AI applications and AI agents. Using powerful foundation models, developers can explore, compare, and choose from multiple AI models, including Azure OpenAI and popular open-source models. Azure AI Foundry makes it easy to build AI agents that can reason, access tools, retrieve information, and automate complex tasks. Built-in evaluation and safety tools help measure quality, detect hallucinations, and ensure responsible AI deployment. From model selection to deployment, Azure AI Foundry helps organizations accelerate AI innovation with confidence.